Hey everyone, I have my daughter with me today so she can unbox as well. I've told you all before I love Amazon, but I love Amazon even better now that I have run deals. I receive coupons on things that I literally need and would buy anyway, usually 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, even 90%, depending on the item. So today I unboxed something that she's been waiting for. Our microphone. My daughter loves to sing, so getting this was exciting for her. I really enjoyed looking at this. This is pretty cool. I love the color. She loved it too when we saw it online. This is a wireless microphone speaker, and it can play previous songs, next songs, volume up, volume down. It can record your voice as you're singing. So this is a pretty cool microphone, and I want to see her use it now. Let's try it out. She's acting shy now, but this is a great buy for us. I am also a first grade teacher, so that's another reason why I bought this microphone. I thought I could maybe use this, get the students excited when I'm talking, hey, making sure they're paying attention, all that good stuff. Great buy, I would have to say. Go ahead, look for it, get it in your buggy, get that code from Run Deals, get that discount. As you can see, it comes with a cord that will charge the microphone. It's also a bright, shiny pink. Check out the buttons, that rose gold. Very great buy. If you like that deal, you're going to like the next one because I bought something that's going to go great with this. Check us out.